All Manipur Students' Union Amsu on Thursday observed the 35th anniversary of inclusion of Manipuri language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India at a school in Imphal West District. The commemorative event was attended by distinguished dignitaries including prominent critic and former DM University professor Dr. Sarachandra Lung Jamba, head of Manipuri Department of Naurim Birahari College and former Amsu President Dr. Haubijam Chalamba and Amsu President Lukram Malangba. Addressing the gathering, Amsu President Lukram Malangba recalled the student body's leading role and sustained efforts in the historic movement that led to the constitutional recognition of Manipuri language. Malangba highlighted that Manipur possesses a rich heritage distinguished by its own unique language and indigenous script, Meitei Mayek, noting that such linguistic assets are rare across Southeast Asia. However, he voiced deep concern over growing neglect among the younger generation, remarking that fluency in English and Hindi is increasingly and mistakenly viewed as the sole benchmark of education and modernization. Stressing that outsiders will not come forward to protect the state's cultural identity, the Amsu President urged people of Manipur to recognize their collective responsibility in safeguarding and promoting their native language and script.
Malemgi English amadi India Hindi masingang lagadi lairik haiba yamna chakhatpa saba matawma yamna toina hujiki sanabiyo sanarapa isi laibak thibani aikogi isagi lon aikogi isagi mayek leijaba lol asi chakhatna bu honabda aikoi khudimak thawdang changi aikoina chakhatna bu honada taraga honada taragadi atopa malem impham singdagi lakpa myoisinga laklaga aikogi lon aikogi mayek asi chakhatna bu honaroi maram aduna aikogi lon aikogi mayek asi bu chakhatna bu honabuda aikoi khudimak thawdang lominaba aduga malemgi thakta aikogi lon aikogi mayek asi bu khanabu honabda aikoi khudimak thawdang afam thui haba gi wakhalon dang asigi Manipuri lon gi numit 20 August asi Amsu na palan tawjani.